Hi, I'm Tom, and I met Frances after I hit my head and lost the ability to walk. She helped me through rehab by using a series of neurolinguistic imagery techniques, such as visualization and small body movements like hand and foot dancing. I think you should try Bodylistics because it has a wide variety of videos that help with injury prevention and strengthening your body. If you want to learn more, you should try the injury mentoring course on April 1st.
At the age of 13, Tom sustained a head injury which left him unable to walk. Everything he knew changed overnight, and it all seemed really bleak. Until an introduction by One Dance UK to Frances Collier and Bodylistics changed everything for the better. Frances used her knowledge of dance and neuro-linguistic practice to help support Tom in his recovery. We really recommend that if you're an injured dancer or you want to build your strength to prevent injury, that you go along to the injury mentoring workshop on Saturday the 1st of April and experience for yourself just how amazing Frances Collier actually is.